Power on your Roku TV. Ensure your Roku TV is turned on manually before starting the programming process. Insert fresh batteries into the Spectrum remote. Check that your Spectrum remote has fresh, functional batteries to avoid any interruptions during setup. Identify your Spectrum remote model. Locate the model number of your Spectrum remote, usually found on the back or inside the battery compartment. This information can be helpful if specific instructions are needed for your remote model. Enter programming mode. Press and hold the menu and OK buttons simultaneously until the input button blinks twice, indicating that the remote is ready to be programmed. Initiate auto search for Roku TV code. Point the remote at your Roku TV and press the TV power button once. Then, press and hold the up arrow button continuously until the TV turns off. This process allows the remote to search for the correct code to control your Roku TV. Confirm programming. Once the TV turns off, release the up arrow button. Press the TV power button again to turn the TV back on. Test other functions like volume and input selection to ensure the remote is fully programmed. Direct code entry. If the auto search method doesn't work, you can manually enter a code specific to your Roku TV brand. Press and hold the menu and OK buttons until the input button blinks twice. Then, enter the appropriate code for your TV model. For example, common codes for Roku TVs include 11756, 12049, and 12434. Test and finalize. After entering the code, press the TV power button to check if the TV responds. Test other functions to ensure full compatibility. If the TV doesn't respond, repeat the process with a different code from the list. That's it. Thanks for watching.